right, I need you to shoot flames.
Oh yeah, okay.
Oh yes. I'm serious. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
You're insane.
You got this.
I don't.
All right, so all you have to do is just floor it for like a second. So get on rev limiter for like a second and then let off the gas completely.
It's my normal driving.
Yeah, exactly. I wonder how quickly security's gonna get here.
911, what is your emergency?
I hear shots!
Okay, ma'am, calm down. What kind of shots?
We're not doing it here.
We're doing it right here, yes. Right here, yep. All right, go ahead and get in the car. Okay, so all you have to worry about is the gas. You're gonna floor it and it'll go on rev limiter, keep it there just for a split second, and then let off the pedal completely. Okay? So on the gas, on rev limiter for a split second. Not like when you were doing donuts and you stood on it for a solid minute. For a split second, then let off. All right, go ahead and try.
We're gonna get kicked out.
I know.
I feel like this should be you.
It's fine. Rev limiter.
So
Floor it completely, and then when you hear rev limiter, think just a split second and then get off, and then it'll pop. It'll shoot a big ass flame. Try it.
Right now?
Right now. Yes. Yes, you're a pro. All right, hold on. All right, do it again. 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 Oh, yes. That is rowdy.
Getting kicked out.
We're definitely getting kicked out. Oh boy. How fun was that though?
It was.
All right, so we're gonna go terrorize the streets and shoot some more flames. Security is most likely on the way. I'm definitely blaming you. It's kind of dark out, but this is the Lingenfelter Performance LNC 2000. Let me actually show you the other way. LNC 2000, and you'll notice that it has an RPM gauge right here. So I can set the RPM, times 1000, times 100, and it's also a timing retard. So you can adjust the timing as well, or retard the timing. Now, it comes in a nice plug and play harness, and you can see that I actually have mine running the side here, and then it plugs in essentially to the ignition coil packs. So the way that I have mine wired, and you'll notice here at the top it actually gives you the options. Let me see if I can get that to focus. Come on and focus. There we go. So yellow is 12 volt activation, green is ground activation, orange is 12 volt retard activation, and gray is analog out. So I have mine hooked up to the yellow wire. So I have it plugged into a 12 volt source. Basically, anytime the car is on, this is on. So to shoot flames, all you have to do is turn the RPM dial, the RPM setting, to about 3000 RPM. I have my rev limiter set at about 6400 to 6300 when I'm drifting or doing any sort of you know, burnouts or anything like that. Just a little bit lower than factory, but when you want to shoot flames, you want to make sure you're dumping a solid amount of fuel. That way there's unburnt fuel in the exhaust. So to adjust it, all you have to do is take a screwdriver, put it in here, and then set it to the appropriate setting. So I'm going to set it to 3000, and then we can go ahead and try it. All right, so we updated the RPM on the LNC 2000 at 3000 RPM. So let's go ahead and see if it works. I'm gonna turn traction control off. I'm actually gonna go somewhere else real quick because we are at the IMSA building and security is a pain in the butt. It is so cold. Alright, test if it works real quick. Yep, it works. Alright, I'm gonna stop right here for a second.
Didn't see much flames.
That was a hot mess inside a dumpster fire, inside a train wreck.
Alright, that's a wrap. Hope you guys like this video. I'll put the link in the description to the LNC 2000, which is the rev limiter box that I use. You can also use MSD. There's a couple of them out there. You want to make sure that it is ignition cut and not fuel cut. Hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe for more.